It's Kuami Eugene. I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to. How you do? Yes, yes. For me, he got his hands out of his pocket. Kwame, let me just say, and I've said this whenever we talk in person. I say this. Sometimes you feel like, oh, hey, hi, but I'm so proud of you. I remember when I interviewed you a long time ago, you burst onto the scene. The consistency has been incredible. How has Kwame Eugene done it? Let's put the fame aside. Let's put all the glitz and the glamour aside. How and what is Kwame Eugene doing so right?
Honestly speaking, it's been work, bro. You know this. You know I put in all. I put in everything I have because that is what I believe I represent as Kuami Eugene. So as Kuami Eugene as I am, I can only keep working and working. That's what's keeping me up there. It's just work and God being on my side. Yeah.
When it comes to stuff like this, I mean, you've won so many awards. Artist of the Year, you've won it, the ultimate. When it comes to stuff like this, is it like expecting to say, oh, I'll win? Like, what's the feeling? Does the feeling change? Or are you used to it now?
I won't say I'm really used to it because it's an awards night. And if I get used to it, that means I know what's about to happen, which I have no idea of what's about to happen. So I'm just being hopeful and it gets me tense. I mean, in some way. I don't know. I'm human. I'm human. And I wish well for myself. And it's a tough competition, to be precise. So I'm just being hopeful. But I'm a bit tense though, but I'm hopeful. Yeah.
One thing I love about you is the fact that you stay so true to who you are as a person. Even your interviews, you don't mince your words. That originality, where does that come from? Because it's not an easy thing to do. You know, when people are famous, it's like, oh, I want to keep a front. But when it comes to Kwame, Kwame is always Kwame.
I mean, we live in an industry where a lot of people want to sugarcoat things to look good to the public because it's not their fault. We live in a system where you have to sugarcoat things to be respected. You have to sugarcoat things to be regarded as a good person. But once you are outspoken, once you speak the truth, and once you want to represent what you have, and once you don't let people give you depression, they think you're arrogant. You need to allow them to put you through depression, and I'm not that person. I think that's the only difference between what you're talking about and me being Kuami Eugene. But at the end of the day, it's the game. Everybody has their way of, playing it. So if people want to play it that way, it's their life. They have to play it that way. But I'll continue being honest and be outspoken because I'm not ready to harbor things in me that I'll end up going to radio station, explaining how depressed I am. No.
I love that about you. I've been asking legends in the game this, and I feel like I can ask you this because you've worked so hard to be where you are, as young as you are. Are you happy, Kwame? And this is a very heavy question. Are you happy with the state of Ghanaian music and where the direction of Ghanaian music? You know, we want to win awards, want to see our artists do international collaborations, but it's a lot on the artists' shoulders. Are you happy with the state of the Ghanaian music industry, Kwame?
I think I'm in the middle at the moment. I have one leg here, I have one leg here, just because everything is not as we want it. It's not as we are envisioning it to be. But at the end of the day, it's not bad either. Yeah. So I'm in the middle.
Nice one. Very impeccable answer. What do you want to tell your fans, man, before you leave us, man?
Well, I want to show star Kuami Eugene. I'm here with Jason. Keep it low, don't go anywhere. Africa still.
Africa number one. Bless you, my brother. All the best tonight. Kwame Eugene, of course.